how to edit checkout page on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can edit your own checkout page within a Shopify, and this is a very easy step to do. All you have to do is, as always, follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. Now, all you have to do is to set up your Shopify store. This is the first thing that you have to do. By setting up your Shopify store, I mean you have to choose the plan that you are on, and also you have to add the products. The second thing, it is the most important thing, is to go on Shopify. Here under the sales channel, you click on the online store, and then you simply are going to select the theme that we have and we are going to customize it. We have here the craft theme. It is set as the current theme. Click on customize and here it will appear the website editor or the store editor. Here I'm going simply to search for the checkout. I'm going to click on theme settings, and here from this left side menu we have the options. We have the logo, colors, etc. I'm going to choose or search for checkout. Simply I'm going to go to the checkout cart right here. What do we have here? The cart. We need the checkout, where we will find the checkout. Now it should be right here. I don't see it right now, but if you can't see your checkout page or your checkout under the theme settings, it is very simple and it is not a big problem. All you have to do is to go to the website that you have, and here if the cart is empty, you are going to add a product. I'm going to click twice on a product, then click simply with the action of add to cart. Click right here, it will appear the cart right here, which is a drawer. I'm going to click on checkout, and as you can see here, we have the checkout page. For the checkout parameters or the checkout editor, here optimize your checkout with apps, fonts, colors, and more. You can go ahead and click on a customize checkout, and you will see here it will appear a checkout editor. Now, when you click on that, you will see here on the settings, we have logo, we have checkout header, logo alignment, logo position, and background image. We have background 1, background 2, and a lot of colors that we can go and change. I'm going a step by step right here to let you see what we can do and customize our checkout. Here for the logo, you can go ahead and add your logo. I'm going to click on add image. Here you can see that it has some images on the library we have downloaded before, or some products images. Here I'm going to search for a logo that I have created. I think it is right here. If it's not, it is not a big deal. I'm going simply to click on images. Then I'm going to search for my logo that I have created using Canva. You can always, when you find some troubles creating a logo or finding a logo, you can go ahead to Canva and create one. Here we have this logo, which is a copyright free and also background free. I'm going to upload this logo, then it will be processing. Click on done, and as you can see here, it will be appearing right here. Now this is the logo. We have here the logo. You can go ahead and put the width of the logo. I can make it bigger, smaller, it's up to you. And now for the logo alignment, you can put it to the left, to the center, or to the right. And as you saw right here, when the logo goes to the right section, it will automatically push the cart button to the left. That was for this logo alignment. Now let's go and put the logo back to the left. This is the perfect position for it. We have the logo position. We can go ahead and put the full width, the order summary, for example. You can put the logo on the order summary, or you can put it on the checkout form. This is up to you, or full width, like that. For the background image, I'm going to add a background image. Let's say that we need this image. and I'm going to upload it and see the effect of the image. You can go ahead and change it right here or remove it. And for the background for the checkout form, which is this one, you can also add a background image. Let's say that we have a background image of this. Maybe I'm going to put this and see. Here we have a background image. I'm going to remove it. If you don't want to add a background color, all you have to do is to click on background color right here and see that instead of a photo, you can go simply and add a image like that or like this. More like that is very cool. Here, this is the preview coming soon. This is, I think, a button. You can go ahead and customize this color of the button. Now, this one is set up. Here we have the background too. You can add a background for customer account page and the order summary in checkout. Also, we have the buttons. Here we have the actions. As I said before, this is a button. I'm going to change the color of it, for example, to the white. These are for the buttons. This is the button, like that. And for this one, I think accent. Let's go and see what it will have right here. This is for the accent. Let's see what it will change. These. And for errors, it is not our concern. If you want to put it the error color, it is up to you. Form field and card background, you can put it white or you can make it transparent, for example, like that. It is very cool. Now for the typography, we have the heading. You can go ahead and select the typography or the fonts. For example, I'm going to choose Beef Cafe like that, and it is very cool. Oh yeah, it is a very cool looking. We have the body, which is these. I'm going to put, for example, Arimo. It is standard. I'm going to select another one. Let's go with a Beef Cafe or Beef Cakes, and it is looking like that. This is very funny. Now we have the checkout layout. We have one page checkout, faster, shorter checkout on a single page, which is highly recommended. Or we have 3-page checkout. We have step checkout across multiple pages. I'm going to test the 3 pages checkout. As you can see here, this is the checkout. We have 3 or 4 steps. We have the cart, the information. These information are set up. For example, I'm going to click on continue. This is the shipping checkout. You can put the shipping right here, and then you are going to proceed to the payment. And when you finish everything, you are going to see the order, for example, like that. Here, AS, like that. I'm going to put a random nomination right here and random numbers, for example. Click on order review and you will see this is not very important. This is only the review page and this is it. I'm going to make the checkout as a one page. Then I'm simply going to remove this background image. I see it very not comforting. Remove this image, then I click on save, and then I'm going simply to the product page. I'm going to see the product page. Let's go ahead and see any item that we have. I'm going to add something to my cart or view directly the checkout that we have right here. And as you can see, we have the checkout. This is the logo, this is the colors, and these are the fonts that are created. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.